In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your WhatsApp to WhatsApp Plus for absolutely free. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device, but if you have an Apple iPhone, not a problem. This is going to work for you also because the procedure is almost the same. So the first thing is get hold of your phone and then open WhatsApp. Once you do that, click on the menu icon to the top right, three dots, basically click on settings and then get to your profile page. Here, you click on subscriptions. That's the first option out here. And then you get a pop-up menu like this. You have an option to click on WhatsApp Plus. Click on that option and then you get directed to this screen out here on which you could see that your WhatsApp Plus is free for a month, and then from the following month it is going to be approximately $1. So using WhatsApp Plus is going to be fun because you could send exclusive stickers. You could go ahead and choose a custom app icon when you're sending messages. You could change your app's theme. You are going to get more options as compared to the old boring themes. You could get exclusive ringtones when you are doing calls. You could upgrade your chat list. You're going to get an option to enhance your chat list, basically. You're going to get an option to pin extra chats. If you have any further questions, I'm all ears. Do send me an email or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.